Next, alkyl halide react with sodium metal. When heated, 2 mole of alkyl halide with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives alkane. Alkane have just double carbon number than taking alkyl halide. Such reaction is called Urge reaction. About Urge reaction, we discussed in previous class 11th. Like bromomethane, 2 mole of bromomethane heated with sodium metal in dry ether to give the ethane. By Urge reaction, we cannot prepare all carbon hydrocarbon like methane, propane, pentane, heptane. Even or odd carbon halides always give the even carbon hydrocarbon by Urge reaction. On the basis of these reactions, chemical reactions, I give some homeworks. Complete the in-text, out-text and exercise questions give in NCERT books. Complete reaction and write the name of product. यहाँ प्रोडक्ट का क्या बनेगा इक्वेशन भी देना है और प्रोडक्ट का नाम भी लिखना है. Which gives faster SN2 reaction, this or this, any one and why? इस प्रकार से 4 क्वेश्चन दिए हैं. फिर कुछ रीजन है why grignard reagent preserved in dry places or should prepared in presence of dry ether. What happens when 2 mole of ethyl bromide heated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether? What happens when Grignard reagent hydrolyzed? When alkyl halide react with KCN to give alkyl cyanide, while with AgCN to give isocyanide, give reason. What happens when 1 bromopropane react with aqueous KOH solution and with alcoholic KOH solution? क्या होगा इन दोनों के साथ रिएक्शन करने पर? Explain about different product with same KOH reagent. Write chemical equation for this reaction. इन दोनों ही रिएक्शन में पहले रिएक्शन इक्वेशन लिख देना है, प्रोडक्ट लिख देना है. दोनों दो डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे, उसका रीजन देना है, उसका एक्सप्लेन करना है कि वह किस प्रकार का रिएक्शन है, क्यों डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट देता है.